Hello kids, today we will learn Magic E. The Magic E is a great way to teach kids how vowels can change their sound. Let's learn with me. B, I, K, bike. R, O's, rose. M, U, L, mule. G, A, T, gate. I've, five. O, L, mall. Egg, cake. Cube, cube. Bike, rose. Mule, gate. Five, mall. Cake, cube. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video. Bye bye.